The Ruth School Library has a series of books that help young children learn how to use the library. They come complete with their own little puppets, such as Alphabetty and Gravy here. The first book that I want to talk about is by Jackie Mims Hopkins, with pictures by Rebecca Thornburg. It's called The Shelf Elf, and it is narrated by, guess who? The Shelf Elf himself, who comes out at night with many other magical creatures, which of course we can't see in the daytime, and does very nice things for the library. He has, this is his friend the bookworm, and they have lots of tips for young readers about how to use a library. For instance, you should always use a quiet voice, shouldn't you, when you're in the library. You can also use a shelf marker to put a book back where you found it, and always take very good care of that book so that other people can enjoy it as well. Return your book so that other people can enjoy it. Our shelf elf tends to give his advice in the form of a poem so that we can remember it. Use a shelf marker. You can't go wrong. Put books back where they belong. Here's our bookworm again, and here's the sequel book, The Shelf Elf Helps Out. Now this is a book about library organization. Here you can see Mr. Shelf Elf dancing on top of some books. He first explains fiction and easy books briefly, and then goes into the Dewey Decimal System and gives us an idea of what's in each section of the Dewey Decimal System. Finally, here we are, back to Alphabetty. Now this book is by Carleen Morton with pictures by Margot Lucas. Alphabetty has organizational issues in her life. She finds that she can't really keep herself organized. She goes to school one day, however, and realizes how powerful alphabetical order is for finding things in the library. She can use the encyclopedia, she can use the dictionary, and she can find her favorite books using ABC order. So she decides that she is now a library superhero, and she's calling herself Alphabetty. I'm looking forward to using these books with young readers in the Ruth Library.